What's up, viewers? This is Unseen Guitar 930 coming at you with a little Black Ops 2. I'm using a different recording device this time, so this will be a little bit more HD. My controller keeps malfunctioning, so if this video gets a little weird, then I'm just sorry. And if you want to check out my EOTech, check this thing out. Zombie Stopper. Type 25 custom. Oh jeez. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using the Type 25 customized today. You see that backstabber? And then this guy right here. Oh my gosh.
Stitched him up.
Stitched him up. That's right. Ah. Enemy. Oh, wait, that's my friend. Yes, we're currently on the seals. Dominating. Dominating.
Let's go.
Oh, let's move. Oh, jeez. Yeah. My secondary is the crossbow. I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna try the crossbow moves. Oh, this is the thing. I don't really need a special. I'm better with just the gun. Let's go. Go. About this window. And just in case you're wondering, this is the DLC map, Nuketown 2025. I couldn't see that guy. And that's my friend Keegan, who just got me. He's pretty good. He's pretty good at COD. Woo! So I do kind of like this. I do kind of like this crossbow. It's pretty good. As long as you hit someone with it, it's pretty good. Oh, I gotta reload. Okay, let's go over here. I'm gonna stop using I'm gonna stop using that for a little bit since it seems like it's affecting my score. There we go. So I got the fast mag on this. Let's go. I think after this game I'm gonna change my secondary to Executioner. I just kinda like it. I just kinda like the Executioner a little bit. It's just a little firearm, but I heard it does a lot of damage, so we're just gonna do that. In case you're wondering, I do not have any subscribers currently. If you subscribe, I will love you to death. Which I have like 4 times in this game. I've loved you to death 4 times in this game. It's kind of weird. So my friend Keegan is playing with me, and he's pretty good. He'll see me. His gamer tag is TJ Keegan.
He's gone. You're a man.
Ooh.
UAV awaiting orders.
Let's call it UAV.
UAV inbound. Care package on standby.
Yeah, maybe care package. Alright, let's go find a place. Let's go. Let's just spawn here.
UAV. Friendly care package inbound.
Alright, let's do this. Now we just gotta defend my care package. That's all we gotta do. Alright, come on. Oh, here we go. Got a UAV. Let's call it in.
UAV on standby.
It's gonna scramble through mini maps. It's gonna go a wiggy whack.
Files have destroyed your counter UAV.
Oh my gosh, why do they do it so fast? This guy's who I'm playing with really fast, destroy the UAV, because like, almost all of them are like an FHJ or something awesome.
Shot out.
See, I just got nothing here. Oh. I thought that was a guy though. Ah! That guy was fast. Let's bring out the crossbow for a sec. Because I want to get revenge on this guy. Oh, you suck. Dead eye. Epic. That's pretty epic. One more crossbow bolt. From the afterlife. No, but I was just hoping for it.
That's a kill.
Ah.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
He's gone. Enemy with weapon.
I know you can put like sights and stuff on the crossbows. I don't see any reason to. Because it's pretty accurate on its own, but, you know, just a little bit. Just to be a little bit more accurate. Let's go, let's go! Alright, come on, let's move. I am playing this on Xbox 360. It's kind of confusing though. I think it's kind of confusing though playing it. Believe it or not, some people don't know that.
UAV awaiting orders. UAV inbound.
They're gonna destroy it though. Ah. Keegan! Little brat. Keegan, you little brat. Didn't I get a hit marker on him? I thought I did. I do like the crossbow. Oh. I'm gonna switch to the execution like I said. Nope, the crossbow's pretty good. I underestimated it. I totally underestimated the crossbow. Great weapon for these fights. Excellent weapon for these fights. I got him. Woo! Final kill cam. That is awesome. And I got Keegan on
Stand by
this.
for further orders.
Ready? Ready? Oh, final kill cam. Final kill cam. Ready? Oh, here we go. Here we go. And boom. Just stuck him in the leg. Aw. Nice. Nice. First on my team with 27 kills. 27. That's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, so like I said, we're still gonna switch though. I want the execution. Wait, what? I could put a reflex thing? Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. I can't, I'm just gonna go crazy. Okay, time to go. I'm the party leader. It is time to go, guys. Let's do it. It's time to go. Play Nuketown again. Fine with that.
Team deathmatch.
Oh my god.
Remember, speed and aggression, gentlemen.
Oh my god.
Transitioning.
Okay, the outside style.
We've taken the offensive.
Enemy down. Kill confirmed.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Red neutralized. Enemy patrol.
Ah! Alright, I gotta use my primary. too.
Sniper down!
Yeah, one of my favorites is the Type 25 just because.
I've got you.
Oh yeah, I do like this. Ooh, double executioner. This thing is sick. Crazy. Where is he?
Hostiles have destroyed your UAV. Care package on standby.
Yeah, let's do it.
Care package inbound. Hunter killer drone deployed.
What? Oh my gosh. That's do we make your package?
Be advised, hostile death machine spinning up.
Oh god. Where's a death machine even? It was even a death machine? Oh, you gotta be kidding. I'm gonna take that. If I could, I would take it.
He's done.
Oh no, I probably can't. What?
Copy off. Stand by. Attack reload. I've got you.
Looks like they're playing shuffleboard. Right there. There's one.
Sniper's down. Move up.
Ah, I got a hit marker. Let me see this. Death machine.
Copy off. Stand by. Good try. Threat neutralized.
UAV on standby. UAV inbound. Care package on standby.
I'm gonna have to fight for mine.
Friendly care package inbound.
kind of tough. Let's go. Woo! Up. Made, bro.
Objective parameters
Do that final kill cam. Let's see. Let's see who did it. What's him? Oh, you got the target finder. You didn't even use it either. Woo! Epic. Well, that's our first video of Black Ops 2. Someone beat me though. Guys, you know what? Let's do one more. Because I need to try something. I was not only going to do that. What? Okay. I was going to try the Tricom with target finder and suppressor. Remove that real quick. Put in a Semtex and a tactical torch. Can I give it a... There we go. Perfect. Hold on, let's do... Let's change this to... Change it to type 25. Attachment and tag, zombie stopper, and let's go. Just one more Nuketown. Just one more. Then the video will end. I'm good though. Absolutely fine. I'm not gonna cry or anything because I have to let you guys leave. Anyway. Please like, comment, or subscribe on this video because when you do, it lets me know I feel loved.
authorized to engage.
I like that. I like it when I feel loved. Don't you get up for me? There's a guy who's holding on to our car. Full auto. I want it to be full auto. I think the Tricom CQB is the best gun. So I already have 2. I already have like 5 of them.
He's done. Shoot her down. Enemy down.
Please pull forward.
I've desperately needed a target finder for a while now. I know it would be now. It's one of the best guns.
Threat neutralized. Let's go, let's go.
Fast man. And this way?
Enemy with weapon.
Ah! I don't really like this.
Enemy down.
It's pretty good. Not my favorite.
We're winning this fight.
Not my favorite though.
Sticky, going out. On me.
Alright, let's go.
That's a kill.
Just gonna keep shooting people in the back. I bet. Oh yeah, execution.
That's a kill.
Friendly lightning strike down.
What? I hit every one of those.
Sticky out. Topping up.
Friendly detonation spinning up. Hunter killer drone deployed.
Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. You should have to. Oh, he's online. Brandon is online.
Grenade, move! Bingo.
Get back.
Grenade, move!
See, move. And let's see, I see an enemy over here.
Sticky out.
He must be using an Xbox Live Party.
UAV inbound.
Okay, hold on. I have a message? Can I? No. Can't. I'm gonna set it up tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow.
Changing. Kill confirmed. Shoot her down. Kill
What
confirmed.
is there in private party?
Hostile hunter killer drone inbound. Mission almost complete. Don't quit now.
Male shooter. Charges down.
UAV on standby. Friendly UAV inbound. Care package on standby. Friendly care package inbound. Hostiles have destroyed your UAV.
Cool. It's nice. Okay, let's see what it is.
Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
Like this.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
Pushing out.
Yeah.
Job seals. Stand by for further orders.
It was.
Pushing out.
Boom! That's right. 21 kills. Just 11 deaths though. Okay, see you guys. Sorry for some of the interruptions like my friend, but it's okay, right? Like or subscribe, man. Bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye.